Hi all, this is Craig, also known as Craig the Water Guy with Quality Water Treatment at qualitywatertreatment.com. Want to go over the upgrade, the optional upgrade for the 5600 SXT water softener. The upgrade is called the Advanced KDF 55 Media Guard Filter. Media Guard filter snaps to the bottom of the 5600 SXT control valve. It hangs down about a quarter of the way inside the water softener resin tank. The water hits that KDF filter first, and it removes the chlorine from the water as well as byproducts from chlorine, such as triethylene gases. It also removes up to 99% of heavy metals from the water, and it's bacterial static, so it won't let bacteria grow within the softener itself. So having this filter will give you nice soft water with the water softener as well as chlorine-free water, and have most of the heavy metals removed. So it gives you good water throughout the home. It also protects the resin bed from the chlorine. Chlorine is harsh on resin. So by removing the chlorine before it hits the resin bed will definitely help the resin perform better over a longer period of time. So after I just went over all that with you, I want to show you a diagram of the 5600 SXT water softener. This is a diagram of the backwash cycle. So I'm going to explain to you exactly how it works here again, just to kind of give you a visual. So attached is to the bottom of this valve is the KDF Media Guard filter. So inside the tank, it would hang in here about a quarter of the way down. So if you kind of follow the cross here, this would be the KDF filter right here. So as you use water, the water flows through hits the KDF filter and drops out of the KDF filter as it's run through the media. It goes down through the resin bed. Then the water flows back upward through the center tube here. It goes to the house, okay? When the system goes to backwash, what we call regeneration, which is set on a meter, by the way, so it only regenerates after you've used X amount of gallons that have been set on the meter. The water goes through the distributor tube, as the diagram shows. It flows upward through the resin bed, turning the resin bed over and cleaning it. And then it hits the Media Guard KDF filter, and it turns over the KDF media inside that filter. And that keeps that media loose and clean as well. Then it goes out through the backwash drain. So that's the process. KDF media averages 7 to 10 years before you need to replace the KDF filter. When you do, you simply release the pressure on the control valve by putting it in bypass and putting it in backwash, or turn off the water and then turn the water inside the house to release the pressure off the system. You disconnect the bypass valve from your control valve. You unscrew the control valve with your hands and remove it from the tank. The KDF filter will come up with it. Unsnap the KDF filter, snap the new one in, lower it in, hook it back up, and you're ready to go. It's pretty simple. I hope that helps. Have a great day.